How to find recently watched videos on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to find recently watched videos on Facebook. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch Facebook app. Make sure that you sign in. Navigate to the menu icon at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap Setting and Privacy. Now select Settings option. Scroll down and then tap on Activity Log option. Now simply you need to scroll and look for the option of videos watched. Select videos watched option. Then this page will display all the video that you have watched on your Facebook application. If you wish to clear video watch history, you can select clear video watch history and clear it all. So in this way, you can successfully find recently watched videos on Facebook. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.